Good morning dear students. Welcome back to science class. We are doing chapter 13 electric current and its effects. In the previous video we got an introduction about electric circuit, components of electric circuit and how we can represent these components with the help of standard symbols. In today's video we are going to learn about heating effect of electric current. Children, I hope you remember in class 6 we have learned about the construction and working of electric bulb. Electric bulb works on the principle of heating effect of electric current. When current passes through the conducting wire, there is a filament made up of tungsten, and when the current passes through it, it heats up and glows. This is called heating effect of electric current. When current passes through a conductor, it produces heat. Based on this heating effect of electric current, we have several appliances like bulb, as we have studied in class 6, hot plate, electric iron, room heater, toaster, etc. Now, besides the bulb, these electric iron, heater and toaster, they have a construction called element, that is heating element, which is a coiled wire made up of high resistant material. When current passes through it, they produce high temperature. We should never touch this electric element because it is very dangerous, it may burn us. Now, based on this heating effect only, we have a safety device also. Sometimes it happens that a large amount of current may pass through the circuit. Suddenly there is a fluctuation of the voltage and a high amount of current passes. Then it is possible that it may damage the appliances in our homes. For that purpose, we have a device called fuse. This fuse is a safety device. It does not allow excess current to pass through the appliances. How it works? Now it also works on the same principle, that is heating effect of electric current. When excess amount of current passes through the fuse wire melts, and as the fuse wire melts, it breaks and the circuit is also broken. The current does not pass through the appliance and they are saved from damage. Let us see the construction and working of this fuse. Here, this is enclosed in a ceramic or plastic box-like structure. Two terminals are there, and this is the fuse wire, which is made up of a low melting metal. Means a metal which has low melting point. So when the current passes, the metal will heat up and melt easily. Usually it is made up of an alloy of tin and lead. Tin and lead, mixed metal of tin and lead is used to make the fuse wire. Different fuse are used, different capacity fuse are used for different appliances. The maximum amount of current cutoff is already written on it, so that when you are using for high voltage appliances, you can use one type of fuse, and for another low voltage appliances we can use another. Nowadays another device is used in place of fuse, that is called miniature circuit breaker or MCB. The main disadvantage of the fuse is that every time the wire breaks, you have to get it repaired, you have to replace the wire. Until then, there is no electricity in the house. To avoid this, MCB is used. MCBs can be easily switched on. When the current passes, high current passes, it just trips, the MCB trips and just switches off the current. Later on, we can only switch on the MCB. You must have seen the MCB at home, in the school also it is there, and it is having an advantage over the fuse that you don't waste any time in repairing the wire, right? And MCBs also have different amount of maximum it saves our time, and it does not require us to wait without electricity for long time. So MCBs are better than the fuse in this respect. So I hope children you must have understood the topic heating effect of electric current, how it is useful, how we can apply this heating effect of electric current in making different appliances like electric iron, room heater and toaster, etc., and to save other appliances from damage of high voltage. I hope this will help you to understand the concept clearly. Till we meet again, have a nice day. Thank you.